Alright guys, we've got the Polo 6 out here. We're going to tint all the back windows, but in this video I'm going to show you how to do a back window in one piece. First we'll clean the window, then now we're going to take step by step. We'll apply the baby powder so the paper don't stick to the window, so that allows you to shrink it. Then you gotta wet a piece of a cloth and make an H. Then you stick the paper in there. That's it. So you do the H, so when you shrink it half down, half up. You cannot shrink to the side, and if you don't do the H, you're not going to be able to shrink it. Okay, now the side, start from the bottom. Yeah, keep coming up slowly, yeah? Yeah. A bit more up. A bit more up. Yeah. Now down here, start from the middle. Slowly, slowly, going too far. I can't see. Don't touch the window, otherwise don't give me that yet. Yeah, now this side. Yeah, keep it like that. Wait, now start from near the top. Keep coming down slowly, yeah? Keep coming down. More down, more down. More down. The corner here. Down, the corner down, yeah. Okay, now the top, start from this corner. Okay, that's done. Can come out. Okay guys, we cut the paper. As you can see, we've done an H. So now we're gonna start shrinking. So remember, we do halfway down, halfway up, and then the other side. Okay, as you guys can see, it's all shrunk now. It's the shape of the window, so all I have to do now, clean the window inside, apply the paper and get the water out, and that's pretty much. You won't get any bubbles, so I'll let you see the rest how I do it. Okay guys, make sure the window is clean. Then wet the window inside. Okay, now you just have to wet a bit. Use the squeegee. Use a squeegee with a cloth just for the edges. Alright guys, I got all the water out. Now just clean the window. That's it, that's the job done. It looks perfect, all in one piece. So if you guys want to do your own car, this is how you do it. One of the videos later will show you where to get all the tools from, where to get your film from. So if you want to do it at home, you can do it yourself. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you on the next video.